Muhammad, Zainab. Stop! What's hiding behind those boxes? A forgotten chest, a family secret, and a discovery they'll never forget.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome Noor Channel and Islamic values for everyone. Let's begin today's story. Let's play
It was a beautiful Sunday morning. Muhammad and Zainab were sitting in their room, planning fun games for the
Muhammad, Zainab.
Coming on me.
Just then,
Muhammad!
they heard Mom calling them from the kitchen. Hearing Mom's voice, Muhammad and Zainab excitedly ran out of their room and dashed toward the kitchen. Mom smiled and said, "Kids, today we're going to do a deep cleaning of the storage room."
Today?
Muhammad and Zainab grabbed their cleaning supplies and headed toward the storage room. Muhammad and Zainab looked around in surprise. The storage room was packed with old books, dusty boxes, forgotten treasures, and so many interesting things to discover. Once inside, they started cleaning happily. They laughed, joked, and had lots of fun while working together. While cleaning, they suddenly noticed something unusual hidden behind a stack of old boxes.
Look, Zainab, over there. Wow, it's so beautiful. What could be inside? Look at this. Wow, it's so beautiful. What is it? I think it's a treasure. Together now. It's heavy. We got it. Wow, it's so big. Let's put it here. Slowly, it's here. Wow, look at them. They look so happy.
Oh my dear, it's them!
Dada Abu, what's wrong? Look, Dada Abu, I found a medal.
And I found this toy truck.
Oh, Abu, look at this old school photo. This is a picture of me and Dadi Amma.
Suddenly, Grandpa found an old childhood photo of Dad. As soon as everyone saw it, they burst into laughter, while Dad smiled shyly and tried to hide his face. Inside the chest, Grandpa found several old letters. A warm smile appeared on his face as he remembered the special moments connected to them. Muhammad and Zainab couldn't believe that one old chest could hold so many wonderful memories. A little later, Muhammad and Zainab went outside to the garden. Muhammad played with his remote control car, while Zainab happily played with her fluffy cat.
Friends, if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and share this video with another fun and notification bell.